Today, I'm trying out Adam Polish's car cleaning kit to see if it's any good. I just got back from my first solo trip in the van, and it was our first state on our goal to camp in 12 states over the next 12 months. The van is absolutely filthy from all the salt, so let's see if the Adam Polish's cleaning kit can get this van looking good again. Normally I've been using the Chemical Guys kit, but I got this Adam Polish's kit here. I saw another YouTuber, Talon. He had Adam Polish's put ceramic coating on his van. It seemed like a really good company, so I figured I'd give them a shot and see how they do. This kit that I got off of Amazon from Adam Polish's comes with the car shampoo as well as wheel and tire cleaner. And then after you get done washing, it comes with tire shine, CS3, glass cleaner, and also interior cleaner as well. So this kit here comes with everything that you need to clean the outside and inside of the van. One thing to note is all these bottles come with just a cap on them, and then you have to install the spray top onto it. But all of the straws that came with the spray caps were way too long. They're about like an inch long, so I'm having to trim them up a little bit in order to get the straw down in there to fit properly. First up is going to be the tires and the wheels. Get all them nice and clean. I'm going to try to spray the undercarriage, try to get all of the salt off as much as I can. I'm not really sure of a good way to clean the undercarriage. If anyone has an idea, drop a comment down below. I would love to hear it. Next up, I'm gonna get ready to wash the body of the vehicle. I'm gonna use Adam Polish's 2-bucket method. So I'm gonna have a bucket here with just straight water to rinse, scrub brush, and then I'll have a bucket here with this little crate here at the bottom to catch any more debris that I wash off. And then I'll have my soap in here. Up here actually doesn't look too bad. It looks like it was covered from most of the road salt, but I'm still gonna go ahead and give it a wash anyhow. High today is about 45 degrees. Last night I was down to like 28. My hands are freezing today. There was ice and hose to get that out and into the sun so I can get the ice out to even wash today. All right, now we got the foam cannon hooked up. Let's get everything sprayed down. So I'm in a little bit of a rush here as the sun is starting to go down. Can't remember when I was watching the 2-bucket method video on Adam Polish's YouTube channel, whether they said to scrub everything down and then rinse it all down, or do it section by section. But it's starting to get dark out. I want to make sure I get this van dried. Because the first time I washed it, I didn't hand dry it with the towel, and it got a ton of water spots on it. So I'm gonna scrub everything down first and then rinse it all down at the end. Well, I didn't realize at the time, but my microphone receiver got knocked out of my phone, so lost all the audio to this clip. Essentially what I was saying is I'm going to use the CS3 as a drying aid when drying the van. CS3 is a ceramic infused waterless wash system from Adam Polish's. From doing research on this product, I read that it can be streaky and to use it sparingly. I'm back. Last night my phone ended up dying Then it got too dark out to film. So just want to share what the van looks like after I'm all done and give you my opinion on the Adams Polishes car cleaning kit. So after I got done washing it, before I dried everything off and used the CS3 on the product, couldn't really tell a difference between Chemical Guys versus Adam Polishes. But now that I got the whole van completely dry and used the CS3, so I used the CS3 as I was drying the van. And overall, I think it does a little bit better than the Chemical Guys. With the Chemical Guys, I would just normally just dry it, and then if there's any like water spots, I would use their quick detailing spray. It came with the kit that I got from Chemical Guys, but I think the CS3 gives the van a nice little shine. I didn't do any wax or anything like that, and it looks pretty good. Got a couple of water spots that I need to clean up. That's from when I washed it. It's really hard to get underneath the roof rack dry and in the awning dry. So usually what happens is a bunch of water comes down. But I'll use some of the CS3 or the quick detailing spray from Chemical Guys, and they should come up pretty easy. So overall, I think the Adam Polishes kit does a pretty good job. I'm impressed. The van was probably the filthiest it's ever been, and just after a wash, no wax, there's no ceramic coat on there. It looks pretty dang good. The kit from Adam Polishes, however, does not come with a water cannon or any buckets. So if you're looking at for the first time getting into washing and waxing or just washing your car, you might need to either A, purchase some buckets and the soap cannon, or maybe go with different detailing kit, or go over and get the Chemical Guys kit first, because they also have the buckets with all that stuff in there as well.